Hey, psst. You got goals, kitty?
Hi, this is Tiny Tips to help you rewrite your brain stories and rewire your brain so you could do more of the stuff you want to be doing. I'm Jocelyn, brain coach, and today's tiny tip, let go of dumb goals. Yeah, I'm being dramatic here because not all goals are dumb. Sometimes goals are a super effective way of getting people to do important and extraordinary things.
No way.
We landed on the moon!
But there's a dark side to goal setting that's often overlooked.
Give in to the dark side of the force, you knob.
If these goals are out of whack with what you really need and value, and if we don't allow them to change, they just might kill us. Here's an example. 1967 space race. The Soviet Union had a goal to make a spectacular mid-space rendezvous. The leaders were so hell-bent on achieving this goal that they went ahead with it even after they found 203 structural problems with the space capsule.
Inconceivable!
Cosmonaut Vladimir Komarov was set to be the solo pilot on this mission, knew that this capsule was heading for failure. The only reason he didn't back out is because he knew his best friend, Yuri Gagarin, was the backup cosmonaut set to go in his place. He was protecting his friend. The mission came to a tragic crashing end. Before that capsule came careening back down to Earth at the speed of an asteroid, Vladimir had insisted on an open casket burial so the Soviet leaders could see what they've done. Mistakes were made. They didn't change it. It's a dumb goal. We see this kind of goal obsession all the time in business and the incredible damage it can cause. Authors of the publication Goals Gone Wild, that's what it's called.
Bring Brady!
Not that one. Say, the point cannot be overstated. Goal setting motivates unethical behavior. It's not the goals themselves, it's our obsession with these outcome-based goals that causes all these problems. The Goals Gone Wild group says, goals are like a powerful prescription strength medicine that requires careful dosing, reevaluation over time. They're highly individual, and we need to consider the side effects.
Yes, doctor.
If we intertwine these goals with our sense of identity, confuse them with destiny,
You will be assimilated.
or become myopically obsessed with achieving a specific outcome rather than, say, learning how to enjoy the process, we might be like those 1996 Mount Everest climbers who decided to summit despite knowing a crazy storm was coming, and it was past the time they knew it was safe to go. They made it to the summit, just 8 of them didn't make it back alive. Ultimately, goals can serve a kind of compass. They can give us a direction to aim for, but are they what you really want? Are they good for you? And what if the weather changes or you change your mind? It's like Lao Tzu said, if you don't change direction, you may end up where you're heading. And sometimes by letting go, it all gets done. Choose your goals wisely and be ready to let them go.
You can work with a coach to help you make good ones.
A brain coach.